Hi, today I'm here with Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create a new folder, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, a couple of apps, for example, in one click, just place to this plus icon and select all of the applications which you want to add to your folder. After that, tap here to done and that's it. If you want to rename the folder or give a name, just tap once on the name here and enter, for example, the apps, tap to done, and as you can see, we just successfully renamed it. Just to move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should hold the folder and drag it. If you want to remove the application from the folder, you just should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove this application from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and tap to remove icon. If you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, just tap to select these two apps. You can create the new folder by the same way, or just to remove all of the applications in one click with the folder together, tap to hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.